Hi, my friends. I have a more embellished book that I want to show you. So this is my Floral Promises one, and I put a material cover on it. So it came from this book, and I have a video of how I put this together, and then I went ahead and embellished it some more, and I did a different type of cover, and so I wanted to show you that. Now, the cover that I did when I created the video was an elastic band one, and with that means you can take the signature out of the cover if you want to do that to write or put your pictures and then slip it back in. But I did a more permanent one this time, and I did use material. Now, I got this material from Amazon. They're flat quarters, so they're 18-inch by 22-inch, and these were paintings, and I thought they were so pretty, like watercolor paintings. I love this one. So it came with 5, and I know I can probably get better deals if I go to Goodwill or something, but those are the colors and the patterns I wanted, so I went ahead and got those from Amazon. And then I put my little butterfly here and some extra flowers. The only thing that didn't come from my kit was the flowers and any of the ribbon. The rest was all from my kit. And I like to take, so this is the title of the book, and I love to take that and use that on my albums. So we'll go ahead. Next week I'll make a tutorial on how to do these fabric covers. But for now I just wanted to do a little walkthrough. So I put some ribbon on there. And then I used some of the seamless pattern for the inside page. And we've got our little tags in our pockets. In this pocket, I flipped backwards because I like the seamless pattern on the back. So that's one thing you can do, is I just turned the flaps the other way. And then we've got our little tags there. And she's got her engagement ring. You have plenty of room to write here or add some photos, which I will probably do later. And then we have our gifts for the bridal shower, or it could just be anything. This one doesn't necessarily have to be engagement and wedding, because volume 3, I got glue on my nail. Volume 3 is coming out very soon, and it is going to be very much for wedding and engagements. It's going to be florals like this. So then we have another tag here, and then this is one of our ephemeras. Whoops, if I can get it out of here. Another little piece of our ephemera. I would probably put a little ribbon on that so that I can grab it out a little more easily. And then, this is the, I just used a little floral tab there. So this is the little pocket, coin pocket that I have in the kit. So like I said, everything came from the kit except maybe like this, the ribbons, everything else came from that actual kit. And then we've got our engagement photo. I was pointing to the cookies there, and then I just did, the ribbon came off. Okay, but I punched the hole. I probably punched it too close, and look what I did. So I'll have to reinforce that and put the ribbon back on, because it was really look cute with that heart. And then I made like a little pocket out of this ticket. So I have tickets. That one says beauty. There's 3 of them. They say different things. We got our glam girl there. And I just put the little love ticket here. Oh, and so here's how I did my binding. I used some wax thread, and then I tied I put a little charm on the tie part there. And I am going to do a tutorial on how to do this binding. Next week I'm going to do that. And then we have our Marilyn Monroe look-alike. Little tag there. And some gifts, and we got a pocket here, and this just has the other tags that you could glue down somewhere or keep in the pocket, whichever way you would like. And this is a lot of room there for photos or writing, journaling, whatever you want to do. Pretty florals again. There we go, a little tag there. I just love these floral ones. I'm in the mood for spring, so here we go. And I thought, like, what I did, because I do the digital artwork for them, I put these hearts coming up, like, because she's got champagne, and the hearts are coming up like champagne bubbles. That was my intent anyway. Dancers going on jades. Okay, and as you can tell, I embellished it heavier on the front end because I'm not quite finished with that part yet. But I did want to show you this. Thanks for watching.